2020 Mercedes-Benz GLB. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: side view mirrors with turn signals, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, power liftgate, brake assist, keyless start. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.